Good morning. Our project title is Visible Light Communication, Mobile VLC Apps. Our supervisor is Professor Chen Liang Kwang. Okay, I'm Lao Hei Yang.
I'm Tanwei Kang.
So, why do you want to build these apps? Because I'm using uh, Apple's phone and my partner is using Android phone. Sometimes when we want to send some message or some files to another's phones, we either use uh, mobile network, uh, mobile network such as WhatsApp or Facebook message, or use Bluetooth, or some phones can use NFC, but my Apple device cannot use NFC. So, but also, when if some people do not have mobile data, they cannot use WhatsApp or they cannot use Facebook message to send file, and Bluetooth is transmit rate is very slow. It is around 2.4 gigahertz. Um, so we would like to find some other substitute way to deal with this problem. So uh, we think that VLC, visible light communication, in our mobile phone is a good extending materials, because we just need to use the LED lights on our phone and the sensor on our phone. So what is the benefits of VLC? Is fast, and it did not need network. We can transmit data in offline situation, and it used so little power, and this high security because light has a very low diffraction. Okay. Okay.
Let me introduce the algorithm of the app to you. It divides into two parts, the send and receive. And we try to use the flashlight and the light sensor of smartphone to do this. That are included in all smartphones nowadays. The send part is simpler than the receive part, so I will talk about it first. As we know, binary number is the basic language to communicate between hardwares. Therefore, we try to convert the text into binary bits 0 and 1, then send it out. As we use the flashlight to send the bits out, we have to think of the representation of 0 and 1. Based on our knowledge, we have learned the OOK on-off keying before, which is the simplest form of modulations, which means represent 0 with off and 1 with on. And this is the send part. And then I will talk about the receive part. In the receive part, we use light sensor to detect is there any significant light difference. And then the first 8 bits should be 1 as a signal to tell the sensor it's time to receive message. First of all, the send will send 8 bits of 1 out, so when the first 8 bit 1 received, it will start to receive data. Then at the end of receive, 8 bits of 1 will be sent again as a signal. This time the receive will count the number of 0 and 1, and then finally, it will convert all the 0 and 1 back to the text. And this is the algorithm of the send and receive part.
So let's start to do the demo. Okay, here now is two mobile phones. We are going to demo how to use the visible light communication mobile apps. Okay, these phones are going to send a message to this white phone. So let's start. We can type. We can type in some message here. So for example, hi. Okay, then this is going to receive. The message are going to send using the LEDs here and receive from the receiver here. Okay. Okay. After receiving the message, you can see here's the received bits on the phone, and here uh, is also generated the standard code here. So we can compare the code, and we will know that it is a correct transmission. But here now it seems there's a little bit bugs here, so we will going to fix this in the future.